Hi there, my name is Brady. Welcome to Friday Faves. You know, there's one thing in my quilting room that I absolutely cannot live without, and it is my Martelli Advantage workstation. I love this table. You can see it's looking a little bit crazy at the moment, but what I wanted to show you is how the height of it is adjustable. I can lower one side or the other side, or I can raise it up really high. But what I am showing you here is that I can actually create a really nice ergonomic environment for my sewing. I can angle the table and sew at that angle that makes me sit up straight, keep my shoulders back, and make sure that I am sewing with the correct ergonomics. So not only can I lower this end of the table, but I can also do the reverse and lower this end of the table instead. So we're going to lower that one back down. What happens when I cut on that side, with that side lower and this end higher, now I'm cutting ergonomically correct. I can cut with way less reach because my table is higher, so I'm cutting more like this instead of like this. Yeah, Landon's suggesting that I just go stand to the side, so when I'm standing here, I'm just cutting, and I'm able to keep a more erect or upright position, versus when I'm cutting on the straight, I have to reach forward, which is harder on our backs. So that's really good for us in the ergonomic world, and the need for ergonomics these days. So now what I'm going to do is left up. I'm going to show you just how high up I can raise this table all together. I want to get it as level as I can, and then I'm going to raise both at the same time. So you can see the table is outfitted with electric lifts, motorized lift, which is really handy when you need to adjust the height. You know, you're having a bad day and you don't want to bend over, you can raise that table up as high as you need it to be. The table itself is made of HDPE, which stands for high definition polyethylene plastic. That means it's super sturdy. It's not like that particle board that we see some sewing furniture. It's going to break down over time. It's actually just sawdust pressed between laminate. This is a sturdy, very strong table. It's going to last you for a very long time. It also comes on casters, industrial casters, so when I don't need it, I can push it right out of the way, get it right out of my way. This table, when you buy it, it's going to come with its color contrasting mat, and what I love about it is that they have cut out a flat surface so that the mat actually sits into the table. It never shuffles around or moves position because it's locked in place. The table's also going to come with a rotary cutter, Martelli rulers, fussy cutting templates. It's going to come with a little storage caddy that goes on the side. It's going to come with great things that are going to make your life really great, because cutting with Martelli products is the bomb. So anyways, this is the Martelli Advantage workstation. I hope that you have found my review helpful. There's absolutely nothing about this table that I dislike. I love it all. So you need one too. If you are interested in getting yourself a workstation table like mine, you can find the link in the description of this video. See you next week.